You know what? The book is upside down. Topsy-turvy, you know? Doesn't make sense. Today's lesson, I'm going to show you 5 common things that we say and they're direction related. They do give us an idea what direction things are going, except we often say them without thinking it. You don't understand because we use them only in this manner in a certain way. Let's go to the board and have a look. My book was upside down, so what does it mean exactly? Let's start with the first thing. I've got one. Inside out. Here's my shirt. I was going to wear it. You can see it, right? This is the right way to wear the shirt. When it's inside down, inside out, you will notice that, here we go. It's the wrong way because you can see the label. Have you ever worn your shirt by the accident and someone has to like, your shirt is inside out and you're like, oh, that's terrible. I never thought about it that way. The inner part is on the outside. Funny enough, this is usually when people wear the clothes incorrectly, but we have to say, I know something inside out. I know everything about it. So I say, I know this book inside out. I know everything about this book. So listen for context. If they say, son, your underwear is inside out, it doesn't mean you know everything about the underwear. It means you should take it off and put it on properly, okay? But if you know a book inside out, you see this? That's the outside of the book. That's the inside of the book. And if I know this book inside out, I need all the information. I know all the information on the inside and the outside. So one thing, but 2 things. That's when English people speak and they say, I know everything about this company inside out. It means I know everything from the floor, who cleans it, how they make money and everything. But if my shirt is inside out, I need to go home and change it. I like that one. Let's look at number 2. Round and round, round and round. That's an old song. But anyway, round and round. It means to go in a circle, move in a circle. If we say, we had this conversation for 20 minutes and we go round and round, it means the conversation isn't getting, nothing new is coming. We're talking about the same things again and again and again. Like a CD. If you know what's a CD, because everyone streams now, or DVD goes round and round. So lots of times English people say, we've been going through this before, nothing is new, we're just moving in circle. Like poor dogs are confused, they're going in different directions, round and round, round and round. So you got it. Okay, number 2. So like American, Canadians, English speaking, why are we going around and around or round and round? It's the same thing. So yeah, so it can say around and around, the same thing, moving in circles, or it can say round and round. We're talking about circles anyways. Cool, cool, cool. So let's move on. Number 3. Tip-top, tip-top. Used by British people more than by Americans. But when something is in tip-top shape, the tip is right here. To make it even easier, you can look at this end over here, the tip of the pen is the tip. Or the tip of the tongue, the end. So that's the tip, the top. Think about the pyramids, you know, pyramids. The top of the pyramid. So tip and top, if you notice, they're very end of something. In this case, we mean the very best, because the best is up here, the very best. When someone tells you this room is in tip-top shape, means it's an excellent shape. Or I can say, I feel in tip-top shape. I am feeling very healthy and strong. Okay? Tip-top. Moving on to number 4. This is the problem that some of us have when we feel that everything is upside down or inverted. I will teach you a fancy word, inverted. I should have taught you another one, but right side up, right side up. This pen is in correct position. When it's inverted, it's this way, upside down. Right now, the pen is in a correct position and I'm upside down. No, I'm just kidding. It's just a joke. I'm not upside down. So don't take computer and start turning it so I'm inverted. No, that's just a joke. So, but when we invert something, it means you change the position from one position to another. A lot of times, English or American people say everything is upside down. Means everything is not in a correct order. We come to work, we have coffee, then a meeting, then we do our jobs, then we have another meeting. But now we start with the meeting, then we do our jobs, then the coffee. It's upside down. It's been changed. So the opposite sides, opposite ways. So if your life is upside down, means it's not the best, meaning everything is in the wrong order. Everything is out of order. Cool? So listen to what people say. It's all upside down, or my life is upside down. Maybe they need some help from you, okay? To be inverted. Flippity-flop, flip-flop. So he didn't quite make it. He flopped, flip-flop. If you're from Brazil, hi Brazilians, I love you guys, peace. You have these shoes, you know, flip-flops. I don't know how you call them in Brazil, but like in England, we put them on the feet and call them flip-flops. In the USA, but to flip-flop here, it's a different thing. When you change your mind, suddenly you reverse your decision, okay? So let's go for dinner. I would like to have McDonald's. But before we get to McDonald's, no, I want chicken. What? How can you flip-flop like this? No, but I want pizza. So, and you can continually change your mind on the decision. So some people flip-flop all the time and that drives you crazy. So just make a decision and stick to it. A lot of governments flip-flop, right? Say yes, you know what I mean. Your government says one thing and then they do another thing, they flip-flop. Like they cannot make a decision. But we decided to teach you, we don't flip-flop, right? So anyway, I hope you like these 5 and we'll have a couple more. But for now, see if you remember and you're ready for the test, and don't wear your shirts inside out, and I hope you are in tip-top shape. Ready? Talk to you soon.